Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a header in Elementor. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and find the Elementor theme builder. From there, you will select the header option to create a new header template. You can then choose to start with a blank canvas for full customization or pick from one of the many professionally designed header blocks to save time. This initial step sets the foundation for your website's top section. Once your header template is open, you can begin dragging and dropping essential widgets. Add your site logo, a navigation menu, and perhaps a search icon. Elementor offers extensive styling options, allowing you to fine-tune typography, colors, and background for each element. Remember to adjust padding and margins for perfect spacing, ensuring your header looks polished and professional across all devices. A crucial step is ensuring your header is fully responsive. Elementor's responsive mode lets you preview and adjust your design for desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. You can hide certain elements on smaller screens or modify their size and alignment. For example, you might use a hamburger menu for mobile. This guarantees a seamless user experience, no matter how your visitors access your website. After perfecting your header, it's time to save and apply it. Click the Publish or Update button and then set your display conditions. You can choose to apply the header across your entire website or perhaps only on specific pages or posts. This powerful feature gives you complete control over where your custom header appears, ensuring consistency and a professional look throughout your site.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.